My name is Ernest Eugene Richard Jr., retired tractor-trailer driver currently doing real estate. I live in Upper Marlboro, Maryland. What specifically interests me about Merrick Bank? Number one, convenience. Number two, opportunity. I sort of kind of developed a saying with Merrick Bank since using the card. I call them the bank of second chance. Great bank. I mean, they're there, the staff, when you call customer service, and I'm not talking to a machine. That's the best part. They treat you like a real person. I was actually kind of shocked that Merrick Bank offers credit cards by invitation only. Made me feel special. I was very elated because it just makes you feel like you are somebody. Most credit card companies, all they want you to do is get paid. They want to get paid, that's it. Pay me, pay me, pay me, pay me. How about if I pay you no attention? I'm going with Merrick. It just works for me at this present point in time. I mean, I appreciate Merrick Bank giving me the opportunity. Really, there are no words to describe how well this works for me. I'm excited about it, and I want somebody else to be excited about this. I mean, once you get in, I'll invite you, but after that, I ain't never got to say another word. You'll be telling other people about it.